Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the sneaky slang term, whataboutism. It's a tactic where someone dodges criticism or accountability by pointing out flaws or problems elsewhere, often to derail the conversation. It's about shifting the blame with a slick move. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. You didn't do your homework? Don't give me whataboutism about Tim's grades. Focus on your own work. He missed the shot and blamed the ref. That's just whataboutism. Own the mistake, dude. She got called out for gossiping and brought up others' drama? Classic whataboutism. She's dodging the issue. The slang term whataboutism has sharp roots, emerging in the 1970s during the Cold War. It was first used to describe Soviet propaganda tactics, where critics of the USSR's human rights abuses were met with retorts like, "What about racism in America?" The term gained traction in English to label this deflection strategy. By the 2010s, social media and political debates revived whataboutism, making it a go-to word for calling out evasive arguments in any context, from politics to personal spats. Use whataboutism to point out when someone's dodging criticism by redirecting blame or bringing up unrelated issues, especially in casual chats about debates or arguments. This term carries a witty, critical tone and is perfect for informal conversations where you want to highlight sneaky tactics. Be cautious in formal settings, as it can sound confrontational or niche. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.